Those who are actually students or fanatics of current affairs are well aware of the feared report pakati pa Donald Trump and Elon Musk. Once friends, they've actually tend to be enemies. Once foes, once chi, I'm not really sure. But the friendship is actually turned ugly. Vanhu vachishorana, vanhu vachinyombana, vanhu vachiexposana. You're hearing about my Epstein files. You are hearing about my EV mandates. You are hearing about quite a lot of issues, and it's really, really worrying. It's really, really worrying. I was actually looking at my jokes on South African Twitter, and they were saying that Mushonga was Cyril Ramaphosa uri very, very strong. Akaenda akanohumiliate akakula down ku White House, but anga atakura kamushonga kake kekuti vanhu vai-conspire against him, saying that there is actually a genocide in South Africa, a white genocide in South Africa, spreading rumors which are based on lies. Akangoti, no, don't worry, you'll see what will happen. Muchazviona. But do you know that we've got a prophet in Zimbabwe by the name Prophet Tim, who actually prophesied about this on 31 December 2024. Vakaprofita specifically about that. So 31 December 2024, Paripa crossover night. Let us just watch the video.
This one I spoke about it. So prophecy comes just to make people to see to God be speaking. So you know the relationship between Donald Trump and Elon Musk, that one is going to split. You understand? So you see that happening. Now I want to talk about Zimbabwe.
This is actually a 23-second video, and forgive the poor quality because Muswat 31 December I'm told the video and then in February video follow up. We are going to look for him and sit down with him, have my podcast with him, my revision, my prophecies, but he already talked about it. Muswat 31 December. The relationship between these two guys is going to turn sour. When nobody expected this is actually going to happen, it's actually to turn sour. These guys are going these guys are going these guys are actually a tag team, but that was a tag war. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section, and follow link Raul and Rugi some comment section because they will be uploading my videos like I wonder concerning my prophets hour, and as well we are going to sit down with them. Tonati, tingaite podcast nawe.